The company has been talking about putting up a manufacturing facility and expanding our footprint outside of India for quite some time. We really felt that Singapore gives us an opportunity, as apart from all of the other benefits, whether it be logistics, whether it be efficiencies, and primarily the human capital potential of the city-state that we have here. And we're here for the long run.
Forbes Marshall is actually a company where, fortunately, the roots of the business were correct right from the beginning. They were customer-centric roots, mainly around selling solutions to customers, which differentiated us from many other product supplying companies. A few decades ago, we started actively developing international businesses, and we have several international branches. And we focus around the same principles of delivering customer solutions and products to customers, and backed up by good consultancy and good service.
So our purpose statement is energizing businesses and communities worldwide. And the real value proposition of what we do today as a company is that we save energy for our customers above all else. We don't work on the basis of inquiries, but we actually go into customers' facilities and observe their overall procedures and then provide solutions on that basis.
Typically in the assembly lines, it's operating pretty similar for all of the assembly lines we have in Singapore. First and foremost, we actually do assembly of all these components together. After we do the assembly, we proceed to do the testing and calibration using the test rigs that we have established over here. And once the testing is completed, whereby it's certified functional, we will proceed to final packaging.
Singapore is an international city. We are multi-language, we are multicultural. That is why it's easy for us to work with people around the world. With our factory in Singapore, we are able to connect to our colleagues and also customers in Asia and Southeast Asia in a faster mode of delivery time.
We take benefit of all of the free trade agreements that Singapore currently enjoys with so many of its regional partners in the area as well. We cater to a very niche segment in some sense, paying a high premium here in Singapore to manufacture, to produce, to run infrastructure here. You're in a way guaranteeing your customer quality.
We, needless to say, have been doing all this with a very, very strong presence on solution selling, right? So whether it mean process efficiency, environment, automation solutions, these are the main bedrocks of our business, and we expand that as we go forward in Singapore.